Welcome! There has been a new gear motor released from design that I would like to investigate. After locating it, I have the opportunity to investigate the BOM, attachments, and history. I can also use the BOM Compare tool in Teamcenter X to quickly see what has changed. I can easily locate the gear motor assembly by using Teamcenter Quick Search. I will use the Compare tool to open up both gear motor assemblies side by side and get a report of what has changed. On the BOM, I can easily interact with the structure to collapse and expand the various levels, search and filter for information, and even change the layout. The Compare tool shows me what parts have been added, removed, or changed as part of the engineering change process. Additionally, I can easily see the Compare report as an Excel file and use that to collaborate with others in the organization or even suppliers. Using Teamcenter X, I was able to easily do the BOM compare for 2 gear motor assemblies and quickly generate the report as an attachment. If you're curious to know more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial that you can access by clicking on the free trial button located at the bottom right corner. Give it a try and see how it works for you.